We have started our fight against infidels because of the will of our Allah, and we will not quit until the last of them will leave our country, dead or alive. Our message to the infidels is clear: leave our land or you will die. They are defending their home country, and they will not stop their fight until the final victory. The history is clear. Every invader into our country has retreated with great losses, and we have freed our country again. This will be the same case. Our Mujahideen do not fear to die.